We Love Holidays, UK's top-growing online travel agent, aims to offer limitless choices, unmatched convenience, and unbeatable value to all. They partner with Jack Morton to boost their European expansion with an installation that embodies their mission. With sustainability in mind, Jack Morton created an oversized, custom We Love Holiday branded suitcase installation that could house a variety of activation ideas inside. Easy to see and easy to find, Jack wanted to showcase We Love Holidays' unmatched ease when it came to accessibility. Each visitor was able to select their individual print and request their choice of travel destination to be printed onto a unique holiday t-shirt, all free of charge. Because We Love Holidays offers unlimited choices, so did we. With the goal in mind to increase social media following, we added a QR code challenge and asked people to post a picture with the installation to their social media for a chance to win €500 for their next vacation. The results were extraordinary. Embracing a wide-ranging audience, this weekend truly embodied the message of global accessibility. And the best part? The client already decided where to go next. The next activation idea to be housed inside the suitcase? Well, we can't tell you yet, but we hope to see you in Berlin.